Economy forced me to become a vegetarian, but I finally starting liking it. We must think and act like a nation of 1 billion people and not like that of 1 million people. Dream, dream, dream. Building capacity dissolves differences. It irons out inequalities. Educationists should build the capacities of the spirit of inquiry, creativity, entrepreneurial and moral leadership among students and become their role model. For me, there are two types of people, the young and the experienced. My 2020 vision for India is to transform it into a developed nation. That cannot be abstract. It is a lifeline. Why are we, as a nation, so obsessed with foreign things? Is it a legacy of our colonial years? We want foreign television sets. We want foreign shirts. We want foreign technology. Why this obsession with everything imported? For me, there is no such thing as a negative experience. Nations consist of people, and with their effort, a nation can accomplish all it could ever want. A teacher should have a creative mind. In India we only read about death, sickness, terrorism, crime. Where there is righteousness in the heart, there is harmony in the house. When there is harmony in the house, there is order in the nation. When there is order in the nation, there is peace in the world. Be more dedicated to making solid achievements than in running after swift but synthetic happiness. No religion has mandated killing others as a requirement for its sustenance or promotion. Ultimately, education in its real sense is the pursuit of truth. It is an endless journey through knowledge and enlightenment. In a democracy, the well-being, individuality and happiness of every citizen is important for the overall prosperity, peace and happiness of the nation. As a child of God, I am greater than anything that can happen to me. I firmly believe that unless one has tasted the bitter pill of failure, one cannot aspire enough for success. No sanction can stand against ignited minds. Widespread use of antibiotics promotes the spread of antibiotic resistance. Smart use of antibiotics is the key to controlling its spread. Unless India stands up to the world, no one will respect us. In this world, fear has no place. Only strength respects strength.
Great teachers emanate out of knowledge, passion and compassion. Do we not realize that self-respect comes with self-reliance? I was willing to accept what I couldn't change. Creativity is the key to success in the future. And primary education is where teachers can bring creativity in children at that level. The bird is powered by its own life and by its motivation. One of the very important characteristics of a student is to question. Let the students ask questions. Writing is my love. If you love something, you find a lot of time. I write for 2 hours a day, usually starting at midnight. At times, I start at 11. Let me define a leader. He must have vision and passion and not be afraid of any problem. Instead, he should know how to defeat it. Most importantly, he must work with integrity. Poetry comes from the highest happiness or the deepest sorrow. You see, God helps only people who work hard. That principle is very clear.
War is never a lasting solution for any problem. Climbing to the top demands strength, whether it is to the top of Mount Everest or to the top of your career. Great dreams of great dreamers are always transcended. Life is a difficult game. You can win it only by retaining your birthright to be a person. If we are not free, no one will respect us. To become unique, the challenge is to fight the hardest battle which anyone can imagine until you reach your destination. Science is a beautiful gift to humanity. We should not distort it. The purpose of education is to make good human beings with skill and expertise. Enlightened human beings can be created by teachers. God, our Creator, has stored within our minds and personalities great potential strength and ability. Prayer helps us tap and develop these powers. Never stop fighting until you arrive at your destined place, that is, the unique you. Have an aim in life, continuously acquire knowledge, work hard, and have perseverance to realize the great life. Excellence is a continuous process and not an accident. Teaching is a very noble profession that shapes the character, caliber, and future of an individual. If the people remember me as a good teacher, that will be the biggest honor for me. If 4 things are followed, having a great aim, acquiring knowledge, hard work, and perseverance, then anything can be achieved. Small aim is a crime. Have great aim. To succeed in your mission, you must have single-minded devotion to your goal. If a country is to be corruption-free and become a nation of beautiful minds, I strongly feel there are 3 key societal members who can make a difference. They are the father, the mother, and the teacher. Man needs his difficulties because they are necessary to enjoy success. You have to dream before your dreams can come true. We should not give up, and we should not allow the problem to defeat us. Let us sacrifice our today so that our children can have a better tomorrow.